100% made in the USA, the Swabitz line of bore tips lets you give your gun barrel the ultimate cleaning that it deserves. Unlike inferior cotton swabs, Swabitz bore tips are made of durable, reusable foam that can be cleaned with soap and water for plenty of use. Attach a Swabitz bore tip to your standard cleaning rod, insert into your gun barrel as normal, and forget about ever using a patch again. Swabitz bore tips are currently available in 9mm, 22 caliber, 243 caliber, 30 caliber, 40 caliber, and 45 caliber as well. Shotgun calibers will be available later this summer.